How to fix the scanner is in use or unavailable. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run. Type in services.msc and then press on Enter. In here, scroll down till you find Windows image. Right-click on it and then go to Properties. In Properties, you will find Startup Type. Click on it and then select Automatic. After that, apply and then press on Start. After it's started, simply press on OK. After that, you can restart the service as well. Refresh your device and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix the scanner is in use or unavailable. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.